Now we're going to work on this part of our face. We shall work with the nasolabial folds right here, or the laugh lines, you name it. We shall try to get rid of them. It's also a very good exercise as a prevention, because once you develop really the lines here, it is not that simple to get rid of them really fast. Well, everybody is different, but I suggest you start doing this as a prevention method, even if you don't really have that vivid laugh lines here. So make sure we apply the product, warming it up in our hands, and we shall apply it here, everywhere. We position our fingers like that. We feel the jaw. We apply pressure as always, and then we move here, and while we do this move, we shall feel the jaw. We shall even feel the gums like that. We move it under our nose, and then we move it along the cheekbones to the ears, right here, and then we do a neck swipe. This is the move in slow motion, so to say. So we position our fingers tightly, move up, cheekbones, move down, like that. So that's the move. With practice, we will see some funny face. Make sure your skin is properly hydrated so we can do the move. You will feel the cheekbones too. Your skin will stretch, but don't be afraid if it's properly hydrated. We have that gliding motion. It's totally fine. I also love this exercise and the next one I'm going to show you, for the jaw tension. Like that. And again. And out. It's even slimming face, right, when we're doing this thing. So like that. And after this exercise, we are going to make two fists, like that. And with the knuckles here, we will pull all the skin we can up, and we will hold for, let's count to 4, like that. See, your face will look funny, very funny actually. So we hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we do neck swipe. Repeat this exercise 5-6 times. We move up. We hold. You might have creases here, that's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the next swipe. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the next swipe. Perfect. This exercise is also will make you feel the cheekbone, especially right here when we work with the knuckles. That's okay, but again, be careful. We do not want any bruises, so just go with the flow. The next exercise is also good for the oval and also the laugh lines. If you have runny nose, do not perform the exercise, and wait until the situation clears. Actually, if you're having a cold, do not perform any massage exercises, because it can make the situation worse. We are massaging right here, the root of the nose, like several circles like that. And then we're going to make the strokes up, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Move it down gently, and then collect everything we can. Move it up and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and do the neck swipe. I will repeat it again. So we always begin with massaging the nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we move it up, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Move it down, and then again. Move it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and down. And we repeat this exercise again 8 to 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Moving it up, feeling the cheekbone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Moving down and up. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm really holding everything. Holding. And the neck swipe. This exercise is very good for the oval. because we're moving everything up, and we move everything up first in this area in the middle part of our face, and then here starting with the lower part of our face, and we hold and then do the next way.